Ever wondered why your garage door isn't opening smoothly or why it's making that strange noise? Well, these can be signs of common garage door problems that need your attention. Today we're going to dive into some practical tips and advice on garage door maintenance and repair. So sit back, relax, and let's unravel the mysteries of your garage door. First up, one of the most common issues that people face is a garage door that won't open or close properly. This usually happens due to misaligned sensors or a problem with the garage door opener. The solution is simple. Make sure the sensors on either side of the door are aligned perfectly. If that doesn't solve the problem, check the garage door opener and replace it if necessary. Next is the problem of a noisy garage door. This typically means that the door needs lubrication or there might be loose components. Regularly lubricate the door's moving parts with a high-quality garage door lubricant. Tighten any loose bolts or screws you find. But what if your garage door is opening and closing too slowly? This could be due to worn-out springs or issues with the door's tension. If the springs look rusty or worn out, it's time to replace them. Adjusting the tension can be tricky, so you might want to call in a professional for that. And if your garage door seems off balance, it might be due to uneven tension in the springs. This is a serious issue that requires immediate attention. Contact a garage door professional to adjust the spring tension and bring your door back into balance. Now, what if you notice a gap under your garage door? This is usually a sign that the door is not sealing properly. You can fix this by adjusting the limit switch on your garage door opener. If that doesn't work, consider installing a threshold seal. Lastly, if your garage door is stuck in the open position, it's likely due to a power failure or a problem with the garage door opener. Check the power source and the garage door opener. If necessary, call a professional for help. In summary, to keep your garage door in top shape, make sure the sensors are aligned, lubricate the moving parts regularly, tighten any loose components, replace worn-out springs, adjust the door's tension if it's opening or closing too slowly, fix any gaps under the door, and call a professional if the door is off balance or stuck in the open position. Remember, regular maintenance is key to preventing these issues in the first place. So there you have it, a quick guide to solving common garage door problems. With a bit of time and effort, you can keep your garage door running smoothly and efficiently. And remember, if you're ever in doubt, it's always best to call in a professional.